York's Yankee Stadium, 70,000 ball fans and a spellbinding moment between the two games of a Yankee-Washington doubleheader. For out of retirement comes the big train of baseball, Washington's Walter Johnson, co-starring once again with the mighty Babe Ruth, greatest drawing card in the history of the game. Supporting cast brings out catcher Benny Bengow and umpire Billy Evans, and baseball turns back its time-worn pages to 15 years ago. Johnson, the fastest fireball pitcher of them all, and the Sultan of Swat, who pulled 60 home runs for a season record that stands today. Ruth, now 48 years old, slowed up a little, but there's no denying the follow-through. Johnson is 55, not the blinding speed merchant, but they still cut the corners of the plate. For the crowd, there can be but one climax as the two baseball immortals face each other once again, and here it is. Into the spot called Ruthville, the right field stands, and the Bambino trods the circuit path with the old familiar music in his ears. What marks this indeed one of baseball's greatest days is its contribution to the Army-Navy Service Fund of more than $80,000. Yes, sir, it still takes the old-timers to do a bang-up job.